Epa lagunok, ongetorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera, ongetorri Warhammer berrogimila dartaik honeta eta hemen ikusten duzu miraren itxura berria beste egunean zuzeneko bukatu ondoren erabaki nolako mirak merezi zuela nivel esigo edo beste itxura bat izan eta gaur itxura honekin gure habilitateak plasmatzera joango gara. Iru. Ea zer moduz moldatzen garen hemen. Ba itxura oso dago.
Tertium's potable water supplies are experiencing severe shortfall. Enemy action is indicated. Silo Cluster 1866A is infested with heretics. This seems a likely cause. According to my data, the heretics removal will reduce pollution to acceptable levels.
Ya, bueno.
Yeah! Go get him, big gun!
Vale, denbora behar duela kargatzeko.
Got a present for you!
Dead and gone! Ha! Just another day in the guard.
No way back from here!
Wake from the lies!
Grenade out!
Dead and gone!
Army focus! Hey, Ranger! Eliminating primary target!
Oh.
Size means nothing, mutant! Headshot! Not bad! That's the sniper dead!
Un bur.
Nobody's stronger than me!
Hori ETV-ko txantza programa horietan batzen.
Shameful to see Onsire's works put to squalid purpose.
Grenade out!
Bleeding gates blocked!
Crush up!
Barrel turret burn!
Oh boy.
Ranger! Ranger's down!
Vale, bazen gura.
If it could happen there, it could happen anywhere. Even here.
Sounds like our mistake.
Ammo.
They must cram a lot of roads in here.
No sense waiting, eh?
Ja, entzat esateu, nada, duen ez gurekin borrokatzen. Beti harrapatzen naute.
Fear not, I'll take it back. You are useful.
Fight me!
Ez erasotu atzetik.
Takes are in cover.
When I smash, it stays smashed.
Aye, it's a big part of your job.
Bueno, guazen guztiok elkarrekin.
Grenade!
Death music! Demonade! Start medic. Medicaid.
Ez,
I wonder if the bridge will remain attached while you cross.
ez benetan. Ez. Baina jarri da. Sendatzeko zonaldean.
Shot on target.
Press button. Call elevator. Fight heretics. Stay alive. Can you manage that?
Orain grimoria berdin zaizkigu. blanco abestuza.
Get Ranger! Taste the God Emperor's wrath, Ranger! Beauty! Grenade! Dead and cold! Ha! Just another thing that...
I suggest you stop admiring the carnage and proceed to the bazaar.
A ver.
Cody!
Got a sniper!
Sniper!
Everybody down here does what they want.
Not everything in the Imperium is black and white. This place is grey as they come.
They're everywhere! Have a grenade, heretics! Come on, let's eat then!
Silo Cluster 1866A is within reach, varlets. Proceed.
Fall back, Kindred! The battle! Kill that gas face! Help me out! Show these bastards, soldier! Ammo, quickly!
Plasma arma oso potente da.
Ranger's done! Medicaid station! When the next skirmish starts, you follow my lead, like soldiers. Ready? Hold up!
Yeah.
I prefer the traditional kind of sex. You can crawl forward, so right now! Right now! Hit it! Automatic! Come By the God Emperor! Don't use all the ammunition! Alright, now you tell me what to do! I heard his transport ship got lost in the war. Stuck there for centuries. It happens.
Agatha Drax, High Prosecutor.
Big man needs help!
Claims this is the most expensive.
Blessed ammo! As I required! Grenade! A grenade!
Send it back.
This looks right. So long as you don't mind us arresting your friend. In fact, there is a signing bonus if you tell us which
Una cosa non bella.
What about that switch?
Wow.
Grenade? Nice. No turning back now. Hey, scav shotgunner! Show me how to do that! Medical station! Scav shotgunner! Medical station!
Ammo.
Grenade!
Here they come. Reloading.
Medical station! Can you lot make less noise? Fragging amateurs! These heretics will hear my sermon, and they'll hear it loud!
You are almost at Silo Cluster 1866A.
Yeah.
Redemption claims ye! Mid-station! Eat up!
Ammo
I
time.
hear a hound!
Get in the door then.
Get put by my heretic fire abounds! Blessed throne, a mutant!
Empty the door.
Too hot.
Engage the autopilot. Terminate the Imperial entity. That is simple enough, surely.
Where's your deal, Templar? Probably ain't anything. Hold back!
Sakura Rempuza.
Give me up! Come on! For the God Emperor! For our fallen! Reaper!
contagion.
Hey, comrades! Help us, soldier out! Sweet, sweet ammo here, Breeze! Back here, 220 combat starts! The file's been dead!
Metaphysical contagion in retreat. Continue.
Not just a plague! Good Emperor, thank you for ammunition!
Eliminate that vile infestation.
Incoming! Please! Damn!
Hacen Reaper.
Why? Run! Now!
Get out, Oakley!
I am the boss. Close now.
Ammo slab!
Strongest, toughest, meanest.
Water now displays only acceptable toxins. Good. Very well, varlets. You may now extract.
Vale, vale. Beteko dugu misioa.
The God Emperor favors you! The opening has been stopped by Holy Fervor!
Oh. A ver, gauzatzak. Bueno. Zer gehiago? Bai. Laser armak ez dira egokienak, baina beno. Tipitapa, korrika.
Delightful to see you. Atoma owes you a debt.
Bueno, jarraitu dezagun aurrera. Vale. Iban algo.
Forthcoming assignment designation. Sanction Redactus. Location Hub Zone HL 1866. You are to proceed to Judicial Enforcement Station TN8707 with utmost efficiency. Expect heavy resistance. For the slower among you, that means many enemies. Shoot first.
Vale. Saiatuko gara.
Smells of death down here.
Nukleari. Esango nuke nukleosan gehiago daukala.
Probably can do as they please here.
Enemy designation Sigma Minoris 33 are more plentiful in this region. Watch out for their teeth.
Yes, beloved, I'll try to avoid the hounds. Much easier that way.
Hendik esaten jarraitzen dut, egin behar direla. Egon behar daukela joatzeko mapa guztiak zailtasun guztietan. Vermintide bin gertatzen den moduan.
Maintenance area HL 1866, 16, and in such lamentable condition.
Den hartu behar du berak,
Stop shooting me, roughneck! Stay in the fire zone, you get shot!
Kill shot inbound!
Getting some paper. Scream, it sounds nice.
Grenade!
Find your next target and shoot, soldier!
I am so very, very good at that. Oh yeah, that looks decent, don't it?
Vale, ma non ne fa un barco.
Beloved, how did we come to this?
Rangers dead! Traxxas! 12? Yeah! Traxxas 12!
Neutralize the Ranger!
Taking a shot! This one's right.
Have to die!
Stealing all the ammo!
I'm doing more good with this ammo than you are! Ammo!
Exterminators! That's what I like to see!
Crack open a red skin like an engine! Whole place becomes ash! Every time the world dies, things get a bit quieter if I put others in. Terminal! Ammo!
Thanks!
Embrace the success! Lovely!
All that those!
Well, what are you waiting for? Activate the Ascender D16. Assessment.
Vale, francotirador batalla con esa que no.
Well, that's up to you.
Vale. Wow. Ahora.
Yes, I do. Everything hurts!
The worthless, ungrateful sacks!
Ay. Ah, la Ya, claro. Bueno, partida hau baino ondo ere zego atera.
Better stay alert. Zola's in a bad mood.
Ready to serve. Processing.
Alright. Eske izkor hori handiegia da niretzat. Bueno, jarraitu ezagun, mentzat ordu beteko zuzeneko egita gustatuko litzaidake. Printzipioz urrengo partidarekin ikusiko da.
Recon data supports evidence of a pathogen breeding site at Refinery Delta 17, Freight Port HL342. Access can be achieved via flow control hub Delta 12. Pathogen to be neutralized via hyperbaric pressure. Metaphysical corruption is indicated. Approach with caution.
Another suicide mission! Just for us!
You have reached Higher Delta 175. Proceed to upper level.
The wrath of the Emperor flows!
See the strength to be found in faith!
Don't waste ammo! Duck in!
Another rager sent to hell! Stop! Stop!
Vale, goazen gora.
That elevator is mistreated, but functional. Put it to use.
Set me free, Stan!
If Rannick was as logical as he claims, he'd order a full purgation of this sector.
Fire bolter and the
Ya beno, baina ez da.
sword. Understood.
Russia!
For the golden throne! You are fighting honor! More enemies! They are coming!
training. It's all it takes. Our path is dark and deep. The uncondemands and die! Med station! Medical station!
Don't waste that fragging in!
Traitors by his feet! Bomber! Judgment has been delivered!
Vale.
Do hurry, varlets. Flow control hub Delta 12 is on the other side of the hangar.
Scout shotgunner! Here is the path!
Grenade out! Heads down!
Magnificent Emperor, justice done!
Caca.
Engaging focus fire!
Vale, bi granada alper galdu ditugu.
Looks like he needs a recharge.
I am starting to think we should have packed rations for a month.
Aurelius.
Advisory. The pipes lead to flow control hub Delta 12.
Dragula! Neck Racer! What a Christmas!
Break it on his neck!
The Magnificent Emperor bids you rise and fight!
Right now! Thanks, priest! Stairs! Close up! Weapons ready!
Aim for a sweet spot!
That's right! Reloading! Killing is only way! It's safe!
Praise appreciated!
Quick march!
Fire underway! I should.
Gero ara da.
Flow control hub Delta 12 reached. Progress acceptable. Demonic tissue activating elevator mechanisms. Tragic.
Take strength from your pain, veteran, and rise! Thank you!
Ay, pantalla.
Eliminate that final infestation.
The hour of your death has not yet come, veteran!
Mad Max. Es de Star Wars en
Rise, Templar! There is fighting to be done! You have been shot!
Help me out!
Elevator efficiency restored. Mission can proceed.
Healing! Perhaps you will not be martyrs today!
gaina itxamar dugu.
What's your idea? You must have faith.
Faith and a loaded rifle and a truest shield. Breaker! Copy that! Top Screamer! Elimination! Bishop Gaia! Who the blasphemous? Gary! Let's up to my strike! I am unstoppable! They're gonna burn this place down to bedrock!
Some say the world will end in holy fire.
This place is burned out or they makes no difference! Forward! Correct your aim! Gravity!
Are you lost again, varlets? Follow the pipes.
Grenade that! It's done! Enemy are in cover! Incoming!
Hey. Venga ya.
Loyalty and honor! You have none! I'm ready now!
You've always got my back, soldier.
Stennis! We got trouble! Ammo! Load up! I'm watching you! Always! Turn your coats! I'll find ya!
You've got real trust issues, you know that? Ammo!
Damnation! You're shooting at us! Make ready! We are coming! Kill enough of them, and we'll win! Ammo kits! The Emperor must be blinding your aim, Grace! I will match your strength yet! soldier!
When the next skirmish starts, you follow my lead, like soldiers. Got it?
A link up with a unit. Do not be distracted from the wave.
Best snipers in the guard! Right, no question!
Spit out their lives asleep.
I've never met one, nor do I want to.
Get shotgunner!
Group up and you will fare better.
What?
The eye of the storm, wherein our wounds may be healed.
And stand ready. Deploy data interrogators. Build hyperbaric pressure. Try not to die.
Target discipline, soldier!
Ilikuwa na mantenza tena.
To arms! A bastard!
Non so più da.
Data inbound.
A ver, a ver, a ver, a ver, a ver.
Defend.
Vale, men.
Chopper dead! Cover me! I am reloading!
Data interrogator requires your attention.
Get shotgunner! Stand by to engage!
One down. Varnix.
A ver.
Your praise is appreciated.
Hello! Still bleeding out over there!
Help's coming, soldier!
Crimes is never easy. I blame you, Varnix. final iteration phase.
Engine critical damage!
Uff.
Parameters almost met.
Bueno, hori betetzen den bitartean.
Good to have someone I can trust.
Connection. Error. Investigate. Redress.
Hasi naiz berriro.
Very good. Almost commendable.
Bazen.
I am authorizing decontamination.
Bazen atzera bilatu gabe.
Extraction approved. Depart.
Bueno, vengo sin erabili espada. Están de egin alduelako. Bukatu da? Bai. Uff. Ai. Bueno. Lehen deitu gaituzte berriro. Hori da.
What do you want? I didn't call for crew support. Unless you know how to read Redder Talk Servo. You know, I've seen so many of you come and go, I can hardly keep track. Let me give you a tip. You want to make your mark here? Prove yourself. Work hard. Demonstrate how essential you are to the big man. That's how you win trust. Now get lost. Come back when you've survived a few more missions. And if I know your name by then, you'll know you are doing something right.
Ba, benok lagunok, ni esker pasatu esaten guztioi, eta hurrengoan gehiago, hau.